Major sa India sa Graduate of Bachelor of Arts, major in Filipino sa Bungamal University last 2014, and currently teaching in Bungamal Community College for almost 2 years.
Could you describe a specific instance where assessment feedback significantly influenced your approach to teaching?
Most of the assessment feedback that I had kay mostly dyan is positive, but I know or aware ko sa kung sa nadjud ko'y lackings. Like, more of my students ay mas knowledgeable enough pa kaysa nako. And, ano siya?
You applied the feedback to enhance your professional development.
Since aware ko nga nadjud ko'y lackings, so I use this feedback as a motivation to enhance my professional development, like attend mga seminars, mo search pa mga another strategies to mo widen pa gani imuhang knowledge about ana nga topic or strategies, mga techniques.
What strategies do you employ to effectively incorporate assessment feedback into your effective process for improving teaching practice?
Is encouraged to have a learner-centered classroom approach. So, strategy na ako kasagaran is more on performance tasks like working, demo, okay, para mas maanan sa mga students na sila mismo ang malihok, and then I will serve as a guide for facilitators in that.
Could you share an example of the outcomes resulting from this approach?
Yes, is, through this strategy, akong i-apply sa ilaha is na-gain nila ilang, or na-regain nila ilang self-confidence. Unlike before na mura sila o ka ng during reporting wala nagabasa, really organize ang ilaha demonstration. Unlike before, mga organize, nag-check ka na anak na sila dyan mismo ang makabi. Mas organized na.
In your opinion, what key principles should educators follow when using assessment feedback to drive their professional development?
For me, fairness and acceptance. Kay, though, kailangan dili dyan mausap imong trato sa estudyante, even though makadumog kag mga negative feedbacks lang din. Kay, diha man ta makitawa, kailangan ta ma-improve through their comments.
How do you ensure these principles are integrated into your teaching practice?
I can ensure these principles are integrated in the teaching practice by showing them na though na-apektuhan ko, but dili siya yung i-take na ko into negative negative motivation. Ako siya mag-improve as a motivation to improve ko myself, to grow professionally, and to develop my professional skills. Para kailangan dito for improvement. Kailangan dito
Thank you for your time, Miss.